Hi, I am Dr. Tarak Patel. I did my spine fellowship with Dr. Bojraj, and since then I have been associated with the Spine Foundation. Currently, I am practicing as a spine surgeon at Indospine Hospital, Ahmedabad. As I mentioned, I did my fellowship with Dr. Bojraj in 2009, and since then I have been exposed to the Spine Foundation and the work being done by the Spine Foundation. And I have seen Dr. Bojraj doing this kind of charity work during my fellowship, and that's what has inspired me to do that kind of work in my private practice also. So in the rural and tribal areas, the one of the key challenges which we have faced is having a proper spine care facilities. Also, there are not many qualified spine care specialists available in these areas, and the final challenge which we have found in these areas is the finance part. The people usually are not having too much free floating monies in their hand to get this kind of spine care which is available in the private centers. As we all know that awareness about the spine care is really very much required, particularly in rural areas and tribal areas. Still there is a fear in the mind of people in the rural population as well as tribal populations about the effectiveness of spine surgeries and spine treatment. So I really feel that there is a huge scope of educating this kind of people and creating an awareness about the spine problems in this particular population. સો મારી તમને અપીલ છે કે જો તમારા સંપર્કમાં કોઈ પણ એવા લોકો હોય કે જેમને ખરેખર સ્પાઇન કેરની જરૂર છે, સ્પાઇન સર્જરીની જરૂર છે, પણ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ચેલેન્જીસના કારણે કે ટ્રીટમેન્ટ મળી શકતી નથી એમને, તો પ્લીઝ ગેટ ઇન ટચ વિથ અસ. અમે લોકો ડેફિનેટલી આવા દર્દીઓને ફાઇનાન્શિયલ આસિસ્ટન્સ સાથે સ્પાઇન સર્જરી અને સ્પાઇન કેર આપવા માટે રેડી છીએ. થેન્ક યુ.